Danke bafethu. Latest news laphana eNaturena, uNtwari noma ngithi uNtwara angilazi nokuthi balipronounce kanjani igama lakaBafo akatreyinanga neKaizer Chiefs. Is a star that is missing laphana ejimini. Kusho ukuthi lento le The Citizen bafethu iripote into eyiqiniso ukuthi uNtwari neKaizer Chiefs banama-problems a-serious because uNtwari kuthiwa ulwe ne-technical team laphana, they don't see eye to eye. Kusho ukuthi uNtwari bafethu uzibona ayi-big star laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Ucabanga ukuthi lento le ayenzile i-right ukuthi angafuni ukureplace-wa. Kusho ukuthi abakwazanga bathe ngikhumbula kahle ucoach Cedric Kaze wathi bazoyisolva lento le behind closed doors as i-team akafunanga ukukhomenta kuma-journalist but kubonakala ngathi uNtwari bebezama ukuyisolva lento le akazange abalalele. Uzibone yonke lento le ayenzile right bafethu. Manje uzithola angatreyinanga neKaizer Chiefs kubonakala njengoba ngirepotile izolo bafethu ukuthi ngathi i-future yakhe neKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa completely broken, it's over unless if bazokwazi ukusolva izinto laphana behind closed doors because at the end of the day usasene-contract laphana kuKaizer Chiefs esele bafowethu noma kuthiwa bayamsuspenda but une-contract. So kunokwenzeka-ke kuthola ukuthi i-team ne-player baney'nkinga ezikanje balisuspende i-player mhlampe bamsuspenda 2 weeks or bamsuspenda whatever and then badonsa umholo wakhe laphana but isitori sakaNtware asazi because of i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakakhiphi i-statement ayikakakhiphi lutho but akatreyinanga ne-team. So laphana ejimini sibone umfana laphana uMokoena from u-DDC team, so bokukhona uPeterson, uVuma, uMokoena kuphela, uNtwara akekho. Ugoalkeeper omunye onokuba khona bafethu uBontle Molife but ulimele uBontle Molife, i-4th goalkeeper choice ye-Kaizer Chiefs, so that is why sibone uMokoena umfana ku-DDC team etraina nani neKaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzoba i-backup laphana, uzoba u-number 3 at the moment. If inkinga yeKaizer Chiefs noNtwari abayisolvi kusho ukuthi and then ulona uBontle usase-injured naye kusho ukuthi umfana uzoba i-third option officially laphana kuKaizer Chiefs overall bafowethu. So yeah, sithemba ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izositshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uma ingasitshelanga-ke if they decide ukusolva izinto zabo behind closed doors, it's fine bebene-conference izolo but-ke still abakwazanga ukuyikhuluma le ndaba le kaNtwari ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nama-journalists they did not ask. Imagine bafowethu. But ngifuna sijampeleni le match le iKaizer Chiefs ezodlala khona nale team le yaseCongo. Ukuthi ucoach wabo we-AS Simba noma one of the leaders laphana bawone wathini. Uthe iKaizer Chiefs uyibonile iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingalimala kuleya game leya, nawo amagama akhe straight. Uthi-ke akajabuliswanga laphana i-first leg laphana because of uthi kuseza i-second leg. Uthi bazodlala ne-team le ezozama ukukora ukuthi ize kubo laphana ikore ibalande, kusho ucoach laphana weSimba. Uthi-ke but-ke i-team mayiloku i-attack-a leyo nto le izoba expose. Uthi-ke if bona bangazama ukuba sharp ukuthatha ama-chances amancane abazowathola because of uthi banayo i-ability yokuthi ba-create ama-chance and bangakwazi ukulimaza iKaizer Chiefs laphana. Uthi ubheke i-future e-positive overall. I-warning-ke la iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa noma i-attack-a kusho ukuthi kumele ibheke cause if noma i-attack-a kusho ukuthi kumele ikwazi ukubhalansa laphana i-move ukuthi ingaveli iye phambili ibe desperate ukuthi i-attack nanokuthi ishaye amagoli. Yes, amagoli kumele iwashaye but-ke kumele ibe calculative because le team yathola igoli away goal sokuzoba i-problem enkulu. Kaizer Chiefs they just have to win i-match whether bayiwina 2-1 or bayiwina bani but they just have to win i-game. Ngeke ibe lula obvious i-game bafethu but-ke izodlalela eSoweto mina elokishini. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu baseSoweto bazophuma in big numbers, abanye it's just walking distance to the stadium or from their homes. So yeah, it's gonna be a very exciting game ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukuqualify ku-continental level kuma-group stages and iKaizer Chiefs if iyakwazi ukuqualify for i-continental level kuma-group stages, Kaizer Chiefs i-unpredictable bafethu, you never know ukuthi izokwenzani. Uma ingaqualify kuma-group stages wa-collect ama-point iye kuma-knockout stages, kungenzeka noma yini. Kaizer Chiefs le bafowethu siyayazi yafika ku-CAF Champions League laphana 2021 kuvalwe amehlo. So 2020-2021 season ngicabanga ukuthi bekulapho impela, so kuvalwe amehlo abantu bangabhilivi ngempela but Kaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukufika. So i-team unpredictable, i-team lena ongeke uyi-count-e out, uyi-rule out uthi abana-chance, ayikho indaba yabo. Wait until they play, they will surprise you. They've surprised us so many times even nalast season makuwina i-Nedbank Cup. So kuwonke ama-cup iKaizer Chiefs ewadlalelayo, don't ever try to write them out or write them off, bazokusurprise. so sobona sibafisela inhlanhla overall. And then amanye ama-question a-raise-iwe bafethu ukuthi njengoba u-coach uCedric Keze ekhulume ne-media laphana athi abadlali ba-available oBatman vele Igataro nabanye nje abadlali overall babalile laphana. Ubani ozodlala Wednesday? Mina I'm predicting ukuthi uVeleba uzodlala. Ngiyishilo nalento le izolo ukuthi uVeleba I think uzodlala bafethu bamfavor kakhulu. Possibly Batman, I'm not sure, but uVeleba umuntu owu-number 1 abathi wenza kahle kakhulu laphana ejimini one-chance enkulu ukuthi adlale. Konke kulele kuye ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities. Sikhumbule ukuthi mangikhuluma ngoVeleba njalo ngiya-mention ukuthi isikhathi eside kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs imfuna umfana. Finally-ke sekazokwazi ukudlala kusasa if it's given an opportunity to play. Yeah, super talent bafethu, very exciting. uDuba laphana ku-Instagram bafethu uposte yena no-Coach Nabi. uCoach Nabi wa-reacta noma ngithi washare i-post laphana kaDuba. Kusho ukuthi uDuba, njengoba bengishilo kule clip enye ukuthi uDuba no-Coach Nabi banebudlelwano obuhle kakhulu, kusho ukuthi beba-understand-ana overall. Sithemba ukuthi uDuba uzokwazi ukulokhu njani ukudlala kulama co-coaches awu-2 because I mean it's the same system in a way, unless if ba-introduce i-system yabo overall. Ngibone laphana online bafethu uCross upost ubabakhe, I think he was saying happy birthday to ubabakhe kanjalo. It reminded me when I was a kid. Yabona belungu bafethu bayasupportana no matter the sport. Once ingane yakhe yaba somewhere uzokwazi ukuyisupport. When I was playing ibhola sidlala no I think if angenza iphutha bedlala neBenoni United, dlala amandiya belungu. Dlala nabantu sina liyashisa ilanga le, umuntu phuma ibhola uyagijima uya kuma wakho or kubaba wakho umnika i-energy uyayiphuza ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo ufake i-energy usazongigijimisa angigijimise vele. So I mean even namanje i-presence yabazali babo-Cross siyayibona laphana, ifamily yakhe ifake iy'kibha zakhe, i-support structure siyayibona ukuthi i-powerful kakhulu. I think nathi into esingayi-adapter as abantu abamnyama ukuthi i-support bafethu i-support. Unga-expect ukuthi ngoba umuntu ingane yakho or uyini ukusapota ngemali nje kuphela, wena awukaze ubonakale nase-stadium. I think i-presence iya-motivate iy'ngane noma kuthiwa ingane yakho ina-25 ina-30 but you as umzali showing up leyo nto akubone kuma-grandstand. Imagine akore or adlale kahle, uba motivated because uyazi ukuthi umzali wakhe ukhona uzomphusha, uzomsapota overall. So I mean support ibaluleke kakhulu bafethu ebazalini ukuthi abantwana bayifile at the same time bayibone. Yeah, yizo-ke eze-Kaizer Chiefs lezi engifuna ukuzidiliva. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi nge-weekend ama-game SABC izo-broadcast-ela ne-SuperSport. I think uSuperSport izodlala ku-SS9 if angenzi iphutha. Well konje kusase ama-SS yazi ukuba yikhehla. Yeah, it's still SS, yes. SS9 izodlala khona or ku-SS2 but izodlala ku-SABC. I think ku-SABC 2 or so because naku-SABC 2 izodlala because Kaizer Chiefs ine-deal ne-SABC ukuthi broadcaster some of the local games, ine-exclusive deal because first time abadlala laphana e-Angola a day before that game, SABC yakhipha i-interview ka-Kaizer Motaung Junior akhuluma ngobudlelwane bakhe ne-SABC, like i-relationship abayibhildile overall ukuthi izo-benefit i-public kanjani. Kwasha kwacima nje wakhuluma lezo zinto lezo. Yeah, I think but kune-worry bafethu njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs iya kulama game lawo. Kaizer Chiefs kuma-game ewadlalile overall isawine, I think I don't know if it's how many games, couple of games just iwine kayi-1 yeah, idlala ama-game awu-7 bafethu. In 7 games iwine only 1 time bafethu. And then mawubheka laphana overall ikore yamagoli awu-4 kuphela in 7 games. So kuyasho ukuthi laphana in terms of ukushaya amagoli bayaleka kakhulu bafethu, hayi kancane. So they have to improve kuleyo department leyo, but amathemba kumele bawathathe bawabeke kuMayi ukuthi possibly uMayi uzokwazi ukubaqedela uqeda i-drought yamagoli ukuthi ingabi too much, kube limited nje ukuthi bayakwazi abafana ukuwashaya amagoli, which is very important for i-team ukuthi ba-contribute. Umuntu ozokwazi ukusolva ilokhunjana bafethu inkinga zamagoli laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-fans idolizer azomthanda futhi kakhulu because uzoba important kakhulu laphana ethimini eyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Ikadaro naye siyazi ukuthi is coming alright in terms of i-recovery yakhe. In fact uyajima ne-team, sokulele ku-technical team ukuthi bona bazothini overall laphana bafowethu. Yeah, uMayo kuphela i-strike at the moment engibonayo ukuthi singakwazi ukudlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sibasolvele iy'nkinga zabo in terms of ukuthi bangakwazi ukulokhu njani ukushaya amagoli. I believe kuMayo so much that uzokwenza lokho. Silva ukhona, but I wouldn't really bet on uSilva ukuthi abasolvele iy'nkinga, but I would definitely bet on uLokhunjana uMayo ukuthi angazama uMayo ukunciphisa iy'nkinga zamajita laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, which is not an easy thing to do of course, but i-potential unayo, siyamazi umdlalo exciting kakhulu bafethu. Mekwazi yena ukwasha, like on his day is good. On his days is very, very good. Yeah. And I think enye into bafethu singabuza yona ukuthi i-wrong nale nto le Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi njalo bona bane-media open days isikhathi esiningi bafocus ekujimeni kakhulu, bafocusa ekutheni bakhuphule i-brand in terms of ukuthi bakhulume ne-media bazimakethe with ease. Yeah, abanye abantu bafethu bathi akuzanywe ama-combination amasha, akuzanywe ama-player amasha, kubona ukuthi lawo ma-player lawo azokwazi ukuba yi-success because of le combination or lama-player lawo abawadlalayo laphana akakasebenzi. Bathi le combination le kaLilepo noModi noMayo ayikakasebenzi, so akuzanywe amanye ama-combination. But I think what we can say bafethu ukuthi leyo combination leyo iyakwazi uku-create ama-opportunities nama-chance for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So kulele kubo nje ukuthi bona they're not able to take those chances, but-ke I mean leyo trio le edlala laphana phambili iyakwazi uku-create ama-opportunities and ba-creative abadlali mabehlangene laphana boyi-3. So but-ke yeah, sobona ngama-coach ukuthi azoshape-a kanjani. Important 2 games. Abantu bayambiza uvele baye, ngibheka online bafethu, hhayi bayambiza uvele baye, bakhala ngaye bathi ngena vele baye, isikhathi sakho sifikile laphana. Yeah. Yeah, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers bafethu. In fact akumele sizame ukuphusha for i-20,000 subscribers, ayikho lento, singafika nje ku-20,000 subscribers, singafika before the end of the year. Unyaka soyaphela, but-ke we need big content, but we can try. Danke bafethu.